YouTube up and running as well. Let's go ahead and actually cover our watch list for today. So we have, all right. Give me one sec, team. I'm getting my mic in the optimal spots as well as everything that I need to cover for today. Okay, we do have another gapper. We have DXF. No like news that's making it pop, but just it's an oil. We have ENES coming up into this level. We're getting rejected though. ENSV, excuse me, getting rejected here from. Now we have decreasing volume on this pullback. I'm not a huge fan. It's just very choppy in my opinion. I'm not going to take this. I don't like the volume on INDO as well. Maybe look for a nice downtrend break potentially from INDO. Looking for a nice touch and then a higher low again. Don't really want to see it below 41, but you know, anything can happen with INDO. I actually do. That was the close. So, I mean, I want to see it hold this level. Again, this is a zone. It's not much of a actual level. It is a zone. Now, what we have here is actually, we have 5 stocks on our watch list, 6 stocks on our watch list right now, all gapping up with news. Not all gapping up with news. We have PT gapping up with news. We have TLSA gapping up with news, and HYMC. That's about it for news as well. So let's go ahead and cover our watches. First, we have PT. PT gapping up 40% with almost a 10x relative volume and a 27 million in float. PT Chinese stance on Russian invasion could be becoming less neutral, highly misinformation being shared by the Chinese state to Chinese citizens. So falling off, but it might get a pop here. We'll have to see what happens. Not the best. We have TLSA. Life Sciences says form therapy was well tolerated in patient with multiple sclerosis. Shares rise during the bell. It's choppy, so I'm not going to be trading this. Now we have TLSA with a float of 60 million, a relative volume of around 20x, which is good. So TSLA does hit our criteria for the watch list. We have HYMC. Not liking this. Looks like a possible head and shoulders pattern, and I think we're going to break lower. Now HYMC does not have anything. I'm not seeing it on our scanners anymore, so I don't see the volume. We also have INDO with less than 2 million in float, but very light volume. Not even a million shares traded today. We have ENSV with around a 2x relative volume at 11 million in float. There it is. That's ideal. We're gapping up around 40%. And DXF, excuse me. DXF. Oh, actually, here we go. We have YHMC with around a 3x relative volume and 60 million in float. So that's good. And we have DXF as well. Choppy, not really liking it. Not seeing great news. So I am gonna. This is definitely my back burner when I'm watching. But I think our top stocks to watch out of the gate is going to be PT, PT, INDO. We also have ENSV on our watch list as well. I mean, we're really just going to be here chilling, like waiting for the best opportunity. We're not going to rush anything. We're going to be disciplined traders. But I think right out of the gate, I'm going to be watching INDO. For a nice downtrend break. Right out of the gate, I'm looking for a downtrend break on INDO. Right out of the gate, I'm looking for a downtrend break on INDO. Looking to see if we can find a bottom pre-market. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 5 likes. Let's try to get to 100 likes. I know we can. We have decreasing volume on INDO, larger spread on the tick chart, or smaller spread but larger volume on the tick chart. So possible bull flag. Maybe see it pull back down to like 40, 41. Maybe we'll have to see what happens. Again, we have around 18 minutes till market open. I would like to see it really bounce off $40. If we can bounce off 40, that would be ideal. Maybe even like 41 potentially. 40, maybe bounce off the 200 SMA on the 1 minute. I mean the 50 SMA on the 5 minute. We'll have to see what happens. Again, we're not really seeing anything really crazy. Okay, we do have AGRI is moving up. AGRI. What's going on here? Ripping up. Closed yesterday at 160, sitting now at 217. Gapping up. We have 3x relative volume at 11 million in float. So this hits our criteria. Growing announces binding LOI to acquire plants NV for net purchase of $69 million. So this might be AGRI. This is definitely one of the top stocks that we're going to be watching. What are we going to delete? Not really liking anything. I mean, we're going to keep AGRI on watch. I mean, all right. So we have a high of 230. Break above, we're going up to 250. Now we have some support at $2. Break above this previous high. I could see us ripping all the way up to 250, maybe even higher. So AGRI is also one that I want to keep on watch. Watch for the cup and handle. Don't like this really long wick. We got rejected. That's gonna be a little that's worrying a little bit, and that's not wanting me to buy right now. I'm gonna be waiting and playing it patiently for the nice move higher. PT seems like it's dying off, but we are going to be watching INDO out of the gate for a nice pop higher. Thank you guys so much for coming in. I hope you guys can find some value to the stream. Let me know if I can provide any more value to you, or how I can better provide value. And I just want to be as much help as I can to you guys as I can. On your phone. All right, let's see if INDO can get a nice move here. We have 15 minutes left until market open. Go ahead and get a water real quick. Right behind y'all. All right. We're just playing it patient, waiting. We might have a nice ABC pattern. I don't like this we have to flip this downtrend to really be bullish here. Yeah, I mean, let's see if I can get a nice we're back up to 43. All right, all right. Back up to 43. Looking for a nice quick break. I don't like buying within 10 minutes of market open. It's just something that I don't really do. So I'm gonna continue to not do that. PT's getting a nice volume bounce. There's the break for AGRI. Broke over 230. Sellers are coming into the market now. Watch for another break. I want to see it back down to this trend line. PT is halted. Nope, not halted, but good morning, Yasmin. How you doing? We have a good amount of stocks that we're watching for today. Let's go ahead and bring it over. We have let me make sure you can actually see that. Can you see that? Yes. All right, this is the watch list. We have PT breaking the downtrend, coming back to retest. We don't have much news. I mean, it's just propaganda. Evasion could be becoming less neutral, highlights misinformation. So, I mean, it's just like not any company specific news, but then we also have, whoops. We don't have any news on ENVS. AGRI announces LOI acquire for 69 million. INDO looking for the downtrend break. No news, just momentum. There's not really news on HYMC or DXF. But nice decreasing volume pullback for PT. I like this. I'm a little hesitant right now, but there's a dump lower. Come back for the nice retest. Not a huge fan of it. Not going to take it. Here we go. Here we go. I'm looking for a nice washout long. We have around 6 minutes left. Okay, there's the break. There's the break. I want to see a washout long down to 30 or 43. Maybe even 42.50. Looking for a retest before continuing higher, but we did get rejected off that candle. Thank you guys for the likes. Let's try to get to 100 likes. Right now, we're watching INDO. Not really seeing anything on the scanners. It's all just the same watch list. If ARGI getting dumped off of after breaking a new high, I want to see it come down and touch this trend line again. Gonna maybe get a bounce. Want to see a higher low off this trend line, maybe for a nice washout. Room back up to 230. Not liking this high volume doji candle in the 15-minute. I do think we're gonna pull back more off this trend line, so I'm not gonna touch AGRI. I'm gonna look for INDO. Looking for INDO. We have less than 5 minutes left till market open. We're going to be patient, disciplined, and responsible traders. Always have a trade plan. Always be within our risk management. Oh, yeah. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the like. We're at 500 likes. Thank you guys so much. All right, all right. All right, we have INDO, probably our top stock to watch right out of the gate. We have 3 minutes left till market open. I'm gonna be looking for a washout long on INDO. Nice washout down to 42.50, maybe even a little bit more. Nice quick, or a nice break back up to 45. All right, all right. Again, trading is boring. If you're having fun trading, you are most likely over trading. Two minutes left. Thank you for the follow. We have 1,000 likes. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. All right, all right. Let's see if we can keep a green streak this week. I am green. All right, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Here we go. Oh, INDO ripped all the way up to 44.50. Ripped all the way up to 44.50. 45. INDO's breaking the downtrend. Look for a nice washout down to 43. $43 seconds left. I want to see this back down to 40. I want to see it back down to like 43.60. We have 30 seconds left. Looking for a nice quick washout. Don't want to see it back. Yep, there's the resistance. We broke the downtrend. I do like that. Now we're getting high volume on this candle. Want to see a nice washout long. I think we have room up to 45. I think we have room up to 45. Maybe a nice cup and handle here. Want to see a washout down to 43. Here we go. 5 seconds left. Pull back more. Oh, I missed it. Watch the panic pop. I could have made money there, but I didn't want to risk it. We're still within 1 minute of the... PT's ripping. INDO. PT's ripping. There's INDO ripping. I don't want to see it break this. I don't want to see it really break 40, 41. I'm not going to trade it. Boom. Okay. Not liking this, but we might get a bounce off of the 200 SMA. Looks like we're halted to the downside. For INDO, we're not getting, there's no shares. We're not halted, not halted. Look, watch for room back up to 42. Yep. No, I wasn't quick enough. Man, I should have found a bounce. I knew there was going to be a bounce off the 200 SMA there. But I didn't want to buy it for some reason. PT ripping. Fucking ripping. I want to see a nice bull flag. I'm watching PT. You're my morning coffee. I love it. I love it. I had some energy. I had an energy drink this morning, but I could use some coffee. We have some RSI divergence here. RSI is making lower highs while the price action's making higher highs. Not a fan of that. but I want to see decreasing volume. Don't like that high wick doji candle in the 5-minute though. We're back above the open. Broke above. We made a new high day. Look for a nice pullback here. We have 20 seconds left on this candle. Halt to the upside is at 47.18. Don't like this high volume doji candle. There's a dump from INDO. ENVS halted to the upside. ENSV was halted at 9:33:42. We're going to be live at 9:38:42. So we're going to shift our attention to ENVS for the halt at 9:38:42. I'm not INDO decreasing volume. Not liking it. AGRI fat rug pull. Here we go. I'm going to take 300 shares here. Looking for really only around 10 cents. If I can get 10 cents out of the play or higher, I'm going to look for more, obviously, but goal is 10 cents. Goal is 10 cents a share. All right. Oh, wait. Hold on. What's a new hobby you've picked up? So a new hobby that I've picked up is trading. I mean, a new hobby. I mean, that's over a year ago when I first picked up trading. A new hobby that I picked up is probably ice baths. I've been doing ice baths for around, I think around 15 weeks. Every Monday I do an ice bath. But a new hobby, I'm not too sure. I don't really have too many hobbies. I wake up, trade, go to the gym. So, talk to me, Goose. Who are we aiming for? I'm confused. What do you mean? We're aiming for INDO. We have ENSV. Gonna be unhalted here in around 42 seconds. We have around 20 seconds left till this opens. I missed it. I should have gone for it. I should have gone for it. Would have been up plenty. 30 cents a share. Not even, actually. Not really seeing anything else that I like. INDO looks like it is going to die off, but you never know with INDO. Oh, I should have done... Guys, there's been plenty of opportunities here. I'm not really seeing anything happen. INDO getting another pop here. Nice double bottom, holding this low. What projects are you currently in? I'm in MTV, Alethea AI, Quant, VXV, and those are really the only 4 that I have right now. All right, all right. Again, guys, we haven't made a single trade on the day. Sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity. We are only 12 minutes into the market. I'm still not We have wave halted. Halted to the upside. Wave was halted at 9:44.23. We're going to be live at 9:49.23. INDO. PT, I'm going to delete this off the watch list. INDO. Which one do I have the highest hopes for? Is definitely VXV. VXV has a lot of opportunity. We have 2,000 likes. Thank you, guys. $9.49.23. Not a huge fan of this high volume doji candle. Doesn't look like short sellers are jumping in, but people are taking profit. VWAP is also moving up. Looking for a bigger pullback. I don't like that selling pressure on the 5-minute. That's not something that I like to see. I'm not confident in it. So I am going to move my focus over to wave. We're going to be unhalted here. We're going to be live here in around 10 seconds. Did not gap up. Don't see a lot of buying. I don't see a lot of buying. Oh man, that would have been that would have worked out in our favor. Man, that's unfortunate for KALA. Just looked away and it worked. INDO looking to break VWAP here. There's the break over VWAP, getting a lot of volume now. Tell us about VXV. What are you trading currently? Right now, I'm trading INDO, which is a stock currently. VXV is a artificial intelligence company where they're creating data sets for potential companies. So they create data sets for biosciences, for SpaceX, for Microsoft, for CERN, for nuclear research. Basically, they come up with a hypothesis for instead of think about when you're brainstorming. Every company is brainstorming. Every company has to brainstorm about certain different topics. With VXV, they use natural language understanding, so you can type in, okay, stocks, COVID-19, war. What it'll show you what stocks it'll show you stocks that have a high probability of moving with the market and some moving up. It'll show you stocks that are most likely going to go higher, and they show you some that are most likely to go lower. And that's just with hedge funds. Got in there. My stop's to be at 43.37. Oh, and it looks like I'm already about to get stopped out. I have to cut it here if I do get stopped out. Let's see a nice pop. I want to see a pop over 45. I want to see a pop over 45. If we do not get a pop over 45, I want to see a pop over 45. I have 15 shares long. I'm flattening it. I'll take that. Don't like that. I'll take $35 on the day. Woo! Awesome, awesome. $35 on the day is good. 30 bucks is my goal for the day. Yeah. All I was looking for was a nice pop over there, and I got filled, and boom, there it is. Woo! It's around a 2% trade, nothing crazy. I'll take that, and I am done for the day. I'll take that win plus 35.43. All right. I'm going to end the live stream here on TikTok. All right. All right. Thank you guys for stopping in. Yasmin, thank you for stopping in. As always, trade smart, trade safe, have a trade plan, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. I'm going to take my profits and just let it be 35 bucks on the day is a good day. We made money. I was a little bit anxious. Took this trade. I knew this trend wasn't going to be a strong trend to the upside. It's INDO. I saw we broke, and I was selling into this. Pop, and once I was waiting for a nice break. Got filled pretty high there, right at VWAP almost. Right above VWAP, caught a nice move higher. Caught around $1. Caught around $1 a share there. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning.